Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Autotune filter on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application, and I'm going to create new post on TikTok by clicking on this plus button, and I'm going to choose a video from my gallery. I'm going to choose for instance this video, and I'm gonna click on next, and then we're going to click on this little arrow, and you have to scroll down a little bit until you find this voice option. Click on it, and here we'll be able to use some voice filter for our video on TikTok. And if we want to use the Autotune filter, we can click on this icon. This is the icon of the Autotune filter. In English, it will say Autotune, but since my TikTok is in my language, so it say like that. So I'm gonna click on it, and I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the result. Okay, and I'm just going to click on save, and then you can continue the editing if you want. Once you're ready to share it, you can click on next, then you can click on post. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Autotune filter on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.